Assalamu alaikum dear students, welcome to my channel ICT Hub. The topic that we are going to discuss today is Introduction to Internet. Interesting topic which is quite. Let's have a look on the topics that we are going to discuss today or in this video. The first one is the computer network. Advantages and uses of computer network, types of computer network, what are the basic types of the network. Then we discuss about the classification of network architecture, then internet, and in the last we will discuss the services, advantages and connection requirements. Moving towards the first topic that we are going to discuss today is what is a computer network. It is basically a group of computers that are linked together to exchange information and resources. Resources can be hardware resources or software. It is a system of interconnected computers, and in the hardware resources there can be printers, scanners, cameras and other peripheral devices, and they are linked together through wired or wireless media. In the wired media we have copper wires and LAN cables, and in the wireless media we have radio waves or infrared signals. And the computers that can be of any type, like they can be as simple as a simple PC or a workstation or mainframe or supercomputers, all are connected through internet. Here you can see that a client can request to the server computer which follow the request and send the data or send the information back to the client. So by using computer network we can share data and information. Internet is basically the best example of computer network, where all the computers are interconnected through some wired or wireless media. Let's have a look on the advantages of computer network. The first one is communication. Communication is about the transfer of information from a sender accesses a distance to a receiver. Act of transmitting messages, you can share information over a geographically wide area. It enables to share data and information with the computers that are located geographically large distances apart. Then we can share files. Network offers a quick and easy way to share files directly. Resource sharing. All the computers in the network can share resources such as printers, scanners or modems. Sharing of expensive hardware and software resource. And the basic uses of the computer network are: it is used for personal communication, like you can communicate with your friends and family. Shared peripheral devices like printers, scanners, and simultaneously access at the same time. You can get access to the internet. You can send or receive information to many people at the same time, and data can be easily restored in case of loss of data or information. Okay, so now we are coming to the types of network. Basically the different types of networks are based on the following. First one is the size of the network. It refers to the area over which the network is spread. Then the second one is the connection. It refers to the transmission media and protocols used for connecting. And the third one is the network topology, means the arrangement of computers on the network. So computer network is basically categorized into three main types. Here you can see in the flow chart that it is categorized into three main types: LAN, WAN and MAN. What is LAN? LAN stands for Local Area Network. It is the smallest network as compared to the other networks. It is operated within a small or limited physical area such as at home, school or a single building. Each computer or device on the network is a node. Ethernet technology is used in LAN or they are also called LAN cables. It is easy to design and troubleshoot. Exchange of information and sharing of resources become easy. All the machines are connected to a single cable which is called LAN cable or Ethernet cable. It is usually a private owned network and it is the fastest network. Here you can see different examples of LAN. All the computers are connected through wired media and they are sharing information and resources. MAN stands for Metropolitan Area Network. It is in between LAN and WAN that covers the entire city or town. It uses similar technology as LAN. It describes cities like Lahore, Karachi. Companies that have several branches within a city like Lahore, such as banks, use MAN. It can be a collection of several LANs within the same city. Here you can see the example that the central office or the headquarters is connected through MAN with the warehouse, factory and the regional branch office, which are of different at different distances, but they are in the same city or in a same town. WAN stands for Wide Area Network. It covers a large geographical area such as a city, country or all around the world. It is the largest network type. Internet is the largest WAN in the network. It generally covers distances such as states, countries or continents. Here you can see different examples of WAN. Local banks have maintained their business online by connecting all companies of their branches in the country. International banks also use WAN to connect their computers all over the world. WAN is the group of MAN or LAN or mixture of both networks. A WAN uses communication channels that combines many types of media such as telephone lines, cables and airwaves. Here you can see the comparison of LAN, MAN and WAN in a tabular form according to the criteria like of cost. The LAN is the lowest, has the lowest cost or cheap one rather than MAN and WAN. The network size is small in LAN and the largest network size is of WAN. And the fastest speed covered by the network is the LAN. LAN covered the fastest area. And the transmission media type used in LAN is twisted pair. In MAN we use twisted pair or fiber optic cable, and in WAN we use fiber optic, radio waves and satellites to arrange the network. And the last one, number of computers connected through a LAN can be 20 and not more than 20 to 25. And the WAN covered the largest area or the largest nodes because all around the world all the computers are connected through the WAN. These are the examples of LAN, WAN and MAN. Here you can see that in LAN all the computers are connected through wires to a single network and it covers a building or a small office, and in WAN different LANs or MANs are combined to make a large network, or a large network which is called internet. And a MAN is in between the LAN and WAN. It covers the area of a small town or a city. Okay, now coming towards the network architecture. What basically is architecture? Overall design of a computer network that describe how a computer network is configured or what strategy are being used. Mainly focus on the functions of network, also known as network model or network design. Here we can see that the computer network architecture is categorized into two main types. The first one is the peer-to-peer network and the second is the client-server network. Here you can see the design or the architecture of these two networks. What is client-server architecture? A network in which the shared files and applications are stored in the server, but the network user or the clients can store files on their individual PC. A server is a computer that shares information and resources with the computers on the network, and the client is the computer that requests services or files from the server. So we can see that a client is just a terminal which can send or receive the request or the information, and server is the computer which has a large storage capacity and large storage power, processing power, which store all the files, all the processing at the server side. And the next one is peer-to-peer architecture. In peer-to-peer architecture, it is just like a network with all the nodes acting both servers and clients. A PC can access files located on another PC. All peers have equal responsibilities and capabilities. With peer-to-peer network, no server is indeed. Each PC in the network is called a peer. So all the nodes, all the PCs that are connected through the peer-to-peer architecture are having the equal opportunities or equal responsibilities. No one is the server, no one has a large storage capacity or processing power. All the clients are doing their processing at their own side. Okay, can you see these pictures? What are they called? Now we are moving toward the topic. What is internet? Connect to the word network of networks. It is the largest group of computer ever network of computers serving out information. So what is basically an internet? Vast collection of computer network which form and act as a single huge network for transport of data and messages across distances, which can be anywhere from the same office to anywhere in the world. Internet is called. What are the major services provided by the internet? The World Wide Web, which is known as WWW. All the web pages, all the websites are stored on www. Electronic mail or email for sending and receiving email messages. News, file transfer protocol, chat, instant messaging, online services, peer-to-peer service. Uses of internet. The first one is the information. Through internet, we can access any information on any subject as news, weather, sports, and current events. Examples are Yahoo and Google. So you can search on any topic, you can get any information from the internet. Next one is communication. It is the most popular internet activity We can send letter, e-cards to people through email. Facebook and Twitter is the example. Entertainment. You can watch videos, movies, play games and download things from internet. File sharing. It has the ability to send or receive digital files of work in progress or finished products like ebooks, slide shares, etc. Education. There are multimedia and interactive training material that can be accessed from internet. Online training courses are available also. Okay, so what are the advantages of the internet? We can use it for communication. We can send or receive messages, information, data, resources. We can use internet for research. Teachers, students can use for their to find information, to do research on any topic. Education, it is used in education. Nowadays we are using different technology to do online teaching, online education, and financial transaction. We are using e-banking, e-transactions, e-shopping. So it is very useful nowadays to use the internet for online transactions. So what are the connection requirements? How can you connect to a computer? You need a computer, a telephone line, a modem, an ISP and a web browser. First of all, you need a PC, a laptop or a smartphone, then a telephone line, a DSL connection or a Wi-Fi connection, then modem. Modem is a device that is used to convert the analog signals into digital signals and the digital signals into analog. Modem stands for modulation and demodulation. An ISP, Internet Service Provider, a company that owns the internet. And at last, we need a software to operate the internet like Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome. And you can use the dial-up connection, cable TV connection or wireless connection to get access to the internet. Thank you so much for listening carefully. Don't forget to click on the bell icon for more videos and like and subscribe my channel. Take care. Allah Hafiz.